In Schoology, there are a number of tools available to you under Add Materials, and one of those is Add an Assignment. Now, this is just one tool, but like I said earlier in the text, this tool can be used in a variety of different ways for a variety of different ends. I'm going to show you 3 basic assignment types, and then you can tweak and modify to suit your needs. So the first assignment type is your basic assignment type. That's what I'm going to call it. It's kind of the default assignment type. And so that's what I'm going to call it. Basic. Here you see you have lots of options. You've got your formatting bar. You can add media, insert, all that good stuff. And because it's just basic, what I'm going to keep it at is just that. Instructions go here. Oh, and I need to remember to turn on spell check. Otherwise, you always have fun little oopses. Instructions go here, and this is where you give all your information that you want the students to do. All right. You can add a file as an example, a link, all that stuff. All that's available, but this is your basic assignment. Always assign a due date. Otherwise, the assignment will not show up in a student's feed. It also helps them know when things are due. It will also help parents know when things are due. It will also show up on email digests and things like that. And so it's just help organization. It's not required, but I'm not sure why it's not, but it's not required. Category. This is where, if you've set up your gradebook correctly, this is where you'll have summative or other, or if you have a third grading category, that's where you're going to select that. I'm just going to select this one for now. You can leave the factor alone, and again, you can choose if you want to use a regular grading scale, or you can also create a rubric. That's a discussion for another time. So our learning objectives. Here is something, especially at the beginning, when students are new to Schoology or getting back into Schoology, I would always disable the comments, because it's very tempting for students just to comment on the assignment as opposed to doing the assignment. All right. And you can also enable grade statistics if you want. I'm going to leave them disabled for now, and you can also copy this particular assignment to other courses if necessary, if your courses aren't linked. So that is your basic one. That's just instructions, due date, category, how many points. Forgot to set that. I don't want it 100. I want it 10. And good to go. And you click create. And there it is. Now, students, when they log into your particular course, because this one is not, I forgot to publish it. I can't publish it. Let's just move it to the front. Now I can publish it. And once it's published, it's due today. And so if I refresh that, students will see the same thing here. Basic, it's due at 11:59 today. And this will show everything coming up in this course. All right, so that's why we want to add a due date, so it shows up in the upcoming. It gives the students as many opportunities to see what work needs to be done. All right, the reason why I didn't show up there before is because that folder was unpublished at the time, because I'm still building everything, as you can see. So that's your basic.